Hey there, if you have been thinking about maybe doing the Stitch Fix trial that they are offering right now, which is $0, totally free styling fee, but you have some questions and you're just not sure if it's right for you or you just need to know a little more, I'm gonna quickly tell you everything that you need to know. I've had a lot of readers ask me questions, and so I'm gonna answer some of the most commonly asked questions that I've gotten about Stitch Fix, and hopefully it'll help you if you are on the fence. I'm clearly not at my house right now. I'm in a hotel room. I'm away for a conference and just had a little bit of time to hop on here and answer some questions. So first and foremost, free Stitch Fix. What exactly does that mean? So normally Stitch Fix, which is the styling service that will send you 5 pieces of clothing or accessories or shoes directly to your house, normally it is a $20 styling fee, okay? So 20 bucks, that gets the stylist to put everything together and they send it to you, and then that $20 applies to anything that you keep in the box. But if you don't like anything in the box, you lose that $20. So if you're new to Stitch Fix, you do not have to pay that $20. So $0, you're gonna get a box sent to you for free. You're gonna get those 5 items. If you wanna keep something, you would pay for the items that you keep, of course. But if you don't keep anything and you wanna send it all back and it wasn't for you, you're not out any money. So really there is no reason not to do this promo right now if you have ever wanted to try Stitch Fix. They had it around the holidays. They've brought it back just for the month of January, so you just got about a week to do it. $0, you're not gonna pay anything if you don't like anything. If you like something, of course, you're gonna pay for the item that you like, right? So, or the couple items or whatever. So that's what that $0 free Stitch Fix. It doesn't mean that you're gonna get 5 items sent to you and you can keep those 5 items, but it does mean that you're not gonna lose that $20 styling fee. Okay, does Stitch Fix have my size? So when Stitch Fix first started, they just had regular women's clothes. They didn't have petites, they didn't have plus size, they didn't have maternity, they didn't have men's. They now have all of those things. And I think that's a big misconception that some people have had with this, that they had looked at Stitch Fix a while ago and they didn't have their size, and so they have just written it off and said, this is not for me. Well, now they have it all, which is great. For me, I'm petite, so I really like that they have the petite offerings. When I was pregnant, I got some maternity pieces from them. Matthew just got his first Stitch Fix. If you go and click on videos or go to the Mom Creative, you can see us doing an unboxing with his first fix. So maybe your husband needs an update to his wardrobe. Do this for him, or do this for both of you. I mean, you each can get a box, and when you click that link, you'll get that $0 styling fee. Do that for you, do that for him. You both can get free boxes, but you've got to do it this month. Okay. Another question that I get asked is, what about shipping? How does that work? So when you get your Stitch Fix box, they're gonna have a prepaid bag in there that anything that you don't keep, you just put in that bag, you seal it up, you put it in your mailbox, and you send it. You don't have to go to the post office. There's no special drop off, like super easy, which I'm big on because I hate going to the post office or UPS or FedEx. Like when I have boxes that I have to take there, they sit on my counter for a while. So it makes it super easy, super convenient. Okay, how do I get a good Stitch Fix? Like, how do I get a box that I'm gonna like, right? So when you go and fill out your profile on Stitch Fix, you are going to answer questions about yourself and be honest, okay? Be honest about your weight, be honest about your height, be honest about your size of pants, all of those things, right? Because then you're gonna get clothes that actually fit you. You also can set up a Pinterest board, that Stitch Fix Pinterest board on your Pinterest account, and link that to Stitch Fix. So when you search Pinterest for Stitch Fix, you'll see tons and tons of clothes that other people have pinned from fixes that they've gotten. That's a great way to let your stylist know of things that you like, and if they have that item in stock, they will oftentimes send it to you. So that's key. Also giving great feedback. So after you get your box, you will submit feedback for what items you liked and didn't like and why you didn't like them, how they fit, and that sort of thing. And that feedback really helps your stylist get to know you and your style and what brands work well for you, what styles of tops and dresses and pants work well for you. So giving good feedback is also critically important for Stitch Fix. So I hope this answers maybe some questions that you've had about Stitch Fix, and that you will go and get this free trial. I love this offer. I love that I've gotten so many comments from people who are like, I'd really been on the fence and I got this and they sent me something just right, just what I needed. My friend Rachel was doing some interviews for grad school, and she said, I can't find the right top. And I said, go and get one of those Stitch Fix boxes. And she did, and she texted me this week and said, I got exactly what I was looking for that I couldn't find in any store. And I think that is a huge benefit of Stitch Fix, that it saves you time by not having to shop around and not be able to find what you need. It saves you money by not impulse buying, right? It saves you the hassle of returns, which is a big one for me. A lot of times I don't have a lot of time to shop, and so I'll buy a couple things and think, oh, I'll go and return that, and then I have to do the return, so it saves you on doing that. And also you get items that you wouldn't necessarily find in stores. So I hope this was helpful. Go and get that free Stitch Fix box. I think you're gonna really love it. All right, have a great day. Bye.